seriously done recorded this video 3 times. But for real though, for real. It's your girl, Lilcutenurse, aka Raquel, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. Yeah, long, hard day at work. It is what it is, but I got my skincare box, y'all. I want to share this box with you guys, even though, again, this is my 3rd time doing the video. I just totally forgot to push record, and the second time I wasn't, I don't know, I must have been half asleep. I did it yesterday before going to work. I forgot to turn the volume on, so I'm tripping. In addition to the skincare box, I want to share a few things that I got from OXLEY, y'all. This shadow here is new. It was cute yesterday when I did the video because I was trying to show it off. But today, it's after a long shift, so it is what it is, okay? Okay, but I'll say that stuff for the end. Let me go ahead and give a shout out to IPSY, y'all. They sent me this little package. I got it on Wednesday. Y'all remember when I got my IPSY box for September? They forgot to include my mask. I sent them an email letting them know, and they sent me my Skin Star mask. So, yeah, I've never gotten masks in my Skin Star box, so I'm happy to use those because I haven't tried them yet. Let's see what we got going on in this box, and it is packed. It's packed. I am really feeling Korean skincare. They know something. You know what I'm saying? They know something because they got that scrumptious. It could be in the jeans, but I'm going to use their skincare products until I can get close to what they got. You know what I'm saying? They youthful looking skin well over into their 50s and 60s. They just look so youthful. So they got the skincare game on lock. Alright, let's see. I got a card here that has the names of everything that I got in this box. So let's just run through them real quick. The first thing I see here is a little clip, and I'm assuming it's for these masks. This is the CLIV retinol mask. It says it's the retinol lifting ampoule mask. A lifting ampoule sheet mask adds, I can't see what that says, elasticity to the skin, firms the skin, and lessens wrinkles. Now, I told you I already did this video, so I just stuck these back in the bottom of the box to try to make it look new. Anyway, I got 5 of these masks, and I'm happy to try them. A retinol lifting ampoule mask. So maybe it'll lift up these little sad looking lines I got right here. I will let you guys know, and I really hope I can find these. I'm going to try to use one every other night. And in addition to the mask, they also have the retinol lifting ampoule, which is a serum. And it's supposed to be a retinol lifting serum. Not supposed to be, it is. Let me see, can I get in it? Broke my nail off, dang it. Oh, that's a cute bottle. That's what the bottle looks like. That is really cute. That's cute. Looks like it's just a clear serum. So I'm going to be checking this out. So every other night. Every other night. One mask starting tonight. Starting tonight. One mask and then the serum, or the serum and then the mask. I'm going to juice them together and let me keep this youthful looking glow of mine, you know, without the makeup. Okay, the next thing I see here is V10 peeling pads. That's what these look like. And it's a vitamin peeling pad, transforms the dull, rough skin into a smooth, radiant one by swiping. What? Oh, into a smooth and radiant one by swiping it. So just swipe on these little pads and they exfoliate. Oh, peeling. They cause, I guess they slough off the old skin and I guess the vitamins in it. That's what I'm thinking, y'all. We're going to see because I'm going to start using these. I got so much stuff open right now. Okay, it's just pads like the toning pads, which I really like. That's what they look like. And it's got 10 different vitamins in there. Smells good too. Multivitamin 10 system. Okay. Alright. Tonight's makeup tonight's usage. I'm just getting it together for tonight, y'all. Okay, the next thing I see here is an Essence Herb Tea Tree Oil. Just 100 milliliters of tea tree oil. It says as a spot oil product with 100% tea tree oil. I know these are good for breakouts, but yeah, I'm cool with Essence Herb. I like tea tree oil. I do. So I'm cool with that. This box here is just loaded. The next thing I see is the Pure Heals. Now I have a couple of these, so I'm more likely going to put this in my giveaway for the month. And I got so many moisturizers that I hadn't even got through the 2 that I have. Matter of fact, I had 3. I sent one off last month in the giveaway. This one is Pure Heals Centella 70 Cream. A hypoallergenic cream that contains 70% Centella Atisca extract for sensitive skin. I got some rough skin, it ain't sensitive. But like I said, I already got 2 of these, so I'll put this in my giveaway box. The next thing, I got 2 of these too. Every month, it seems like I've gotten these 2 things. The Pure Heals Centella 80 Eye Cream, an eye cream that contains 80% Centella Astiga extract, which helps to firm certain skin, sagging skin around the eyes. I probably need to start using those, but I'm using my Clarins and my, I haven't even opened the cherry. Yes, I did. I opened it yesterday, but I forgot to use it. The Pharmacy Cherry Eye Cream. I put it at my makeup session to put on with my makeup, and I forgot to use it. But yeah, I'll probably put this one in a giveaway. And the next thing I see here is BRTC First Ampule Essence Intense Treatment, a Hydro Barrier Probiome Complex. Now, let me bring this up so I can see it. That's what this, let me open it up. Oh, that's cute. 130 milliliter bottle. And it says an ampule essence that carries the skin elasticity by boosting and conditioning step by step with synergy of 5.3 ferminox of 1 fermented. I can't see those little words. I give up. I'm butchering it. But it's an essence. And I'm almost done with my this one right here. This is the essence I've been using. My Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Essence. This is the one I've been using. And I'm almost done with it. When I'm done, I'm going to start with this one. Okay. The next thing I see is BRTC products again. And it's Tea Tree 70 Foaming Cleanser. Yes, I like tea tree. So I'm going to be happy with this cleanser. Tea Tree 70 Foaming Cleanser. A foam cleanser contains 70% tea tree leaf extracts. It smooths irritated skin. So that's a pretty big cleanser. So more than likely I'll put this one in my shower, y'all, because I'm still using, I can't think of the name of them, but I got two cleansers open. One is by Fresh, and the other one is a drugstore, but I can't think of the name of it. But yeah, I put this tea tree one up in my shower because the one in my shower is gone, and it was one of the Drunk Elephant's facial cleansers. So I'll start with this one. And the last thing in this box is the BRT pH 0.5 Vita Pill. I think I got this. Oh yeah, this is one that I'm using now. I think I bought it in here. This is the one that I'm using. If you can tell, mine down pretty good. And this is the new one. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway and let somebody else see how they like it. Because for me, this just looks like, let me show y'all. I don't know, it looked like this. And then you just put it on your face and you just kind of rub it. It got some little tiny micro balls. And it just balls up and exfoliates like that. And then you just wash it off. It just makes little balls. So it's a real gentle exfoliator that I like. It's got niacinamide plus PHAs in it. So that's it for this month's skincare box. And as the kids say, it was litty. Okay, now let me share the stuff with you guys that I got from Octoly. I got another Sunday Riley. Upside down. I got another Sunday Riley. This is a Saturday Skin 10% glycolic pore acid. Y'all know I got one of these in my BoxyCharm box. Remember I told you I had ordered this because I absolutely love this. And this is the one that I'm currently using. I done used this year. I've gone through, this will be the third one. So I'm good, covered until next year. I know these are $30 a box, sold at Sephora, and these were sent to me, if y'all didn't hear the first time, from Octoly, and thank you, Octoly, because this is a product that I absolutely love. I rotate between the Saturday Skin Glycolic and the Ordinary. These are my favorite toners. Yes, yes, yes. And these are my favorite essences that I go through constantly. But I will be trying the new one that I got here just to see, you know. I'm just trying to keep it, you know, 24, 25, something like that. You know, not 18, 19, somewhat, you know, in that range. The next thing from Octoly is, from Saturday Skin and Octoly is, this is new, the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Saturday Skin is kind of winning me over, but y'all know I was really loving Clarins. But we're going to see. We're going to see. I know I love their toner, but I don't know about, I've only tried the eye cream and the toner. And the night sleeping mask, the Uzu night sleeping mask. Okay, this is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Huh. That's what it says. Ain't that a pretty bottle? Oh, let me get y'all get a good look at the packaging. I don't know if I did that or not. If I didn't, I apologize. But yeah, that's what that bottle looks like. I know y'all want to see it, and I didn't want to open it. I got so many creams, but that's just going to make me do my facial and skincare as much as need to be done, you know? Y'all gonna make me step up my game. But I'm gonna put this top back on tight because I got 3 face creams open now. 3 night creams and 3 moisturizers on the day side and 2 moisturizers on the night side. Y'all, if I did a skincare I'm using now, y'all would be like, girl, how? When? It's too much. Okay, and the last thing I got sent from Octoly, y'all, which I said I was gonna put in here, if y'all still here sticking with your girl, Clarins got some makeup. They got makeup. And y'all, this is empty. Let me go get it. This is the, let's see. This is the Super Volume Mascara. ET Color Intense. That's what it says. That's the packaging. And this is the mascara. I've only got 2 mascaras that I really, really love. So, and I've never, I don't know if this is their first mascara or the first one to me. Let me let y'all see what that wand looks like. That's how it looks. Real small one. What I like about it is when you use it, it don't get, I got hooded eyes. Usually when I put on mascara on my top lashes, it transfers up here to my lids, and this does not transfer to my lids, so for that reason I do like it. It didn't make my bottom lashes super thick, but I don't remember. It was yesterday, and I don't know if I used it this morning. I don't know, so I don't want to say that on that, but I do like that it's not the really wet that just goes and gets everywhere. And now, this is going to be an eyeshadow, and they sent this little brush as well. It's a super dense brush, and I know why since I've used the shadow. At first, I was like, what is this? What am I supposed to be blending with this little brush? But this is what it looks like. It's really dense. Now, this eyeshadow is an ombre 4 colors. It's got 4 shades in this small palette, right? And the 4 shades are infused with primer, all in one. You got the shadow and the shadow base. Let me read this before I lie. Formula 2-in-1 base and color. It says it's supposed to be long lasting, ultra pigmented color. This is what I have on, and I've had this on. Is it creasing? I don't know. Is it creasing? I had this on since 3:30 this morning when I got up to go to work. Okay, and I still got it on. So is it long lasting? I can't. Let me look in the mirror. Yeah, I see a little crease right there, but you know, for the most part, it's still there. I see a little crease right there. But they seem to just blend right on out. Okay, but anyway, they ain't supposed to crease, but I guess they can't last a long, long time. This is how the shadow comes. It has that cute, you know, I ain't gonna say it's cute, but that little brush that we generally throw away that has Clarins on it. That's why I want to say cute. And it look a little mess because I did use it, and this just kind of comes out like that. And those are your colors. Let me let y'all see the back. This is 05. And yeah, I got it nasty already. What is it called? It's Jade Gradation. That's what it's called. Let me swatch these for you. They feel like cream shadows, but they don't perform like cream shadows. Look at that. They really pigmented. And they don't make my eyes get those little looks, that little crinkly stuff that look like chicken if you got that soft, smooth skin on your eyelids like I do. You know, for us seasoned women, you know, you put some shadows on, your eyes look crinkly like chicken and dry. This just really makes it smooth. So for that reason, I like this, and I thank you, Clarins, for these ombre colors. And y'all, I'm going to put the link below so you can pick them up at OXLEY, but on the low, don't tell nobody I said. Clarins having a friends and family, because I went on there last night to order these, and they have 25% off friends and family. Okay, anyway, this is from OXLEY. The link will be below. And Clarins, thank you guys for sending this over. Y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day. And y'all stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.